Here is a story that might sound all too familiar. A beginner trader who, after weeks of research, decides to make his first trade. He's cautious but optimistic. The market, however, has a different plan, and his initial investments faces significant loss. He tries and tries, taking loss after loss, topping up more and more capital, and losing it all over again. Disheartened, the trader contemplates quitting, thinking maybe trading isn't for him. That trader was me. If you don't already know me, my name is Nick, and I trade live every single day in front of thousands of viewers using smart money concepts, getting results like this, these, and these. Before getting to this point, I too was a struggling trader just like you. You're not alone. If you have faced similar struggles, drop a comment down below and let's see how we can help you. The goal of this video is to share with you my personal experience on how to bounce back stronger and wiser from losses. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader in the forex market, this video is your roadmap to recovery. If you find this video helpful, my only ask is that you hit that like button and subscribe down below. It's absolutely free and it helps this channel out. Let's transform those losses into some valuable lessons. Let's go back to my story. Here's where it takes a turn. I didn't give up. Instead, I took a step back to understand my mistakes and learn and strategize my comeback. Today, we will explore how traders like you and I can recover from trading losses, both psychologically and strategically. Stick around, as these tips might be what you need to hear. The first step is to manage expectations. Most people will sell you dreams and lies of luxury lifestyles after a few months of trading. But allow me to open up your eyes. Let me show you a visual representation of a trader's earning curve. Like most people, you will start to experience a losing curve when you first start trading. Then, after refining your strategy and gaining confidence, you will start to become a break-even trader. That means that you're not making money, you're not losing money. After continuously sharpening your sword for a long while, you will eventually see that promised land of profitability. Sounds amazing, right? To get there, we will first have to do a deep dive into the technical side of things. You must know every intricate detail of your edge in the markets like the back of your hand. Most of you probably trade a single strategy but don't fully know how it works, when the best conditions for trading are, and so on. For example, Thomas can confidently say that historically his best months have been from April to July, as the markets tend to trend in one direction during that point in time. William, on the other hand, destroys the market during the summer, when the market ranges a lot more, as he is a support and resistance specialist. For myself, I'm similar to Thomas, where I capitalize on trending markets during March to August using smart money concepts. Here is how you should learn the full extent of your trading strategy and turn it into an edge. Pick a single strategy and backtest the most recent 2 years worth of market data. While backtesting, take note of the wins and the losses. Some common differences are season tendencies of the market, which is basically which quarter of the year you are trading, the time of day of your entries, and which market session do you trade, and so on. The goal here is not to have a cookie-cutter textbook trading plan that just anyone can implement, but to have an edge unique to you to dominate the markets. After we've overcome the technical obstacles, we have to master our emotions. I get it, losing sucks and it hurts so much to lose. But we have to understand that the pain and regret that comes from acting on impulse because of that loss hurts so much more. Let's be real, we've all been there. We take a loss and think, my bias might have been right. I'll win the next one. Let me double my risk and make it all back and more, only to lose it again and again and again. So the question is, how do we keep ourselves at the promised land and not fall back to our old habits? Journal everything you experience, from the details of the trade to how you felt and the lessons that you have learned. I personally kept all these details in a personal trading journal. I pen down each and every trade, thought and lesson meticulously. Every weekend, I will take the time to reflect, bring myself back in time, relive the moment I took that loss, and learn from it to prevent future mistakes. Let me show you an example of how I discovered the most ideal season for me to trade. So this is when I started applying the power of trade, the accumulation, manipulation, and the distribution phase of the market. I then thought about how price is fractal and it applies to all time frames. Then I wondered, what would a yearly cycle look like? So I hopped onto the daily chart to see a year's worth of price action, and I was amazed by the discovery. from January to April is the yearly accumulation zone. Then the next 3 months was the yearly manipulation, which I noticed coming out of the manipulation phase that August had a very slow rangy price action, although still pushing down overall. I then looked back at my trades around that time and noticed how many low probability trades I had forced. This is how I managed to make a new discovery for myself. So use this as an inspiration to make your own. After all of this, it is time to develop a risk management recovery plan. Based on your analysis and the lessons that you have learned, adjust your approach. Maybe you need to set more conservative risk management rules, or perhaps diversifying your trades could help you mitigate risk. Your recovery plan should also include realistic goals and milestones to help track your progress. I aim for 4 to 6% every single month. Now, this may not seem like a lot, but the larger your account, the larger the amount will be. When it comes to risk management, it goes so much deeper than just risking 1% per trade. Let me give you an analogy. Say your trading account is the number of bullets you have. Risk 1% per trade, you have 100 bullets. You risk 2%, you have 50 bullets. Now, how many bullets you shoot depends on the probability of your trade, the confidence you have in your trade, and what strategy that you're using. For example, if you're looking to take swing trades, consider taking more risk to be rewarded for your patience. If you're scalping frequently, lower your risk per trade to make sure that you have enough left in the chamber. If the trade is risky, again, lower the risk. Remember, you can always find more bullets by simply adjusting your risk parameters. This risk management plan isn't just about getting back to where you were, but setting the foundations for sustainable trading practices for the long run ahead of you. Last but not least, analyze your overall performance. By keeping a detailed trading journal and collecting backtested data extensively, you can analyze them to identify patterns in your wins and losses. To speed up this entire process, create a feedback loop with an accountability partner. Now, this is where we step in. I help thousands of premium members every single day along with Leonard, William, and Thomas on how to level up their trading and recover from these losses. With our years of experience in the different styles of trading, be it SMC, ICT, or retail trading, we are more than equipped to help you get back on your feet. So, are you eager to turn the tide? I've prepared a special blueprint just for you, including a trade analysis template and a mindset reset guide. Find the download link in the description below. And if you have found this toolkit helpful, consider sharing this video with a friend who could use some guidance. Our community's strengths shines through in stories of resilience. Like Brian, our premium member who joined us back in August. There were many times he wanted to quit, but he kept heeding our advice on how to not only improve his trading, but also his mindset. From then on, he kept improving and found a small trading community within Premium to hold accountable to. And now he's showing his results like this and like this. Now, are you ready for that to be you? Your stories and support makes all the difference. Keep them coming and we'll see how we can help you. Implementing these steps can significantly impact your recovery process. It's not just about getting back into trading, but doing so with a stronger, more resilient mindset. The truth is, trading isn't just about numbers. It's about the stories we write throughout our journey. Members of my community are a testament to what we can achieve with the grit and determination. If Brian's story somehow related with you, share this video, spread the inspiration, join our growing community of traders who are looking to be 1% better every single day. Together, we are unstoppable. If you have watched all the way to the end of the video, it probably means you're serious about trading and you really enjoy my content. My mission here is to make high trading education available to the masses regardless of income level. If you share the same vision as me, or if you've got at least some value from this, I hope that you can share this video with someone that may benefit from this. That is my only ask. And if you want to see these concepts demonstrated live, in your face, with eyeballs on a daily basis with real accounts, then just hit the subscribe button here to get notified on my live trading timings on a daily basis. With that, I hope you have gained a positive ROI for your time with this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Nick signing out.